This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use templates in Google Slides. The first thing you may be asking is, what is the difference between a theme and a template? A theme in Google Slides is basically a set of different colors and fonts that you can choose from in order to make your slideshow presentable, whereas a template is filled with information. It's filled with pre-filled information based on the type of slideshow that you want to give. So if I want to change the theme of a slideshow in Google Slides, you click on slide and then you click on change theme, and then you will have these different options on the right. But notice that it only gives me the first slide, and then after that, it just gives you blank slides with a predetermined design. A template in Google Slides comes with pre-filled information because each of those templates may address different areas. So if you want to insert a template, you can either click Insert, then Templates, or you can click Slide, then Templates. When you do this, this list of templates will appear on the right. And as you can see, it gives a template for giving an investor pitch, a workshop facilitation. Let's scroll down. You can do an annual planning slideshow. You can do a brand style guide slideshow. And when you select the type of template that you want, it comes from several pre-filled slides guiding you through how you can make a presentation. And then all you have to do is change the text and the images to what your specific slideshow requires. So now that you have selected your template, if you want to insert a few of the slides, all you need to do is click the slides that you want. But if you want to go ahead and import the entire slideshow, then you want to select Insert All Slides, and then all of those slides will be in your slideshow. And then all you have to do is delete the text that is there and replace it with the text that you want. So this is a basic introduction to using templates in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.